बहुत दिनों के बाद आपसे बात करने आई हूँ, सो या लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. I don't know if it's just me, but being in your 20s, it's such a weird phase of life. You are technically an adult, you are making your own decisions, you are thinking about your future, career, friendships, relationships, money, literally everything. But sometimes I still feel like I have absolutely no idea what I am doing. Basically, move out होने के बाद I feel like I am learning new things about me literally every day. So today I just wanted to sit and talk with you guys. What are the things I am learning in my 20s? And yes, I am not giving you life advice because I'm still figuring it out too. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel The Mood Edit. बहुत दिनों के बाद आपसे बात करने आई हूँ. So yeah, let's talk about it. First thing first, you don't have to have your life figured out. I think one of the biggest pressure in our 20s is that we should know what we are doing. But sometimes I feel it's okay not to know. Like career क्या है, future क्या है, कितना पैसा कमाना है. And sometimes I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing next month. 5 साल के बाद कैसे बताऊँ? We grow so much in our 20s. We are allowed to change our path. We are allowed to change our minds. The things I wanted a few years ago might not be the things that I want. Just because somebody else have a 5 years plan, that doesn't mean that plan is right for us. Sometimes I feel like we put so much pressure on ourselves for this 5-year plan, but honestly, life doesn't work like that. Second, independence is not as glamorous as it looks. Thing I'm learning in my 20s is that independence is not as glamorous until you are actually independent. Because moving out, having your own place, you imagine decorating your home, making cute coffees, making your cute study area. All of that is amazing. But then you realize I have to clean my room, I have to do the grocery, I have to figure out what I should eat, I have to fill my petrol, and I have to remember everything. And if things goes wrong, there is nobody else to fix it. And here comes the actual meaning of independence. But at the same time, there is something really satisfying to know that you are learning to take care of yourself. Not doing everything perfectly, but you should know how to handle things when things goes wrong. 3. Friendship change. I think nobody really prepares you for this in your 20s, क्योंकि अभी अगर लगता होगा कि कोई इंसान आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत इम्पैक्ट डाल रहा है और दूसरी मोमेंट पे आपको लगेगा कि you guys are not together. Babe, move on. It's called life. And earlier I used to take that very personally. I would think, what happened? Did I do something wrong? Slowly I'm realizing that prioritize quality over quantity. अगर दो लोगों में बीच में भी आपको genuinely you can feel yourself, you can feel happy, so it's better to have a 2 friend circle group rather than a big friend circle group. But sometimes I feel like people grow different in different phases of your life. Not every friendship meant to last forever. That doesn't mean कि वो friendship अच्छा नहीं था. You shouldn't regret. And I am learning this new thing. Just let it go rather holding it up. 4. Stop comparing your timeline. This is one part that I am still struggling with because social media makes comparison way too easy. आप Instagram खोलते हो, किसी ने आपकी जॉब पा लिया, किसी की शादी हो गई, किसी ने घर खरीद लिया, किसी की ड्रीम जॉब लग गया, किसी ने ड्रीम फिगर पा लिया. That doesn't mean I'm failing. That doesn't mean I'm staying behind. We only see their life highlighted part. Someone being ahead in one area, that doesn't mean he is ahead of everything. And I think everybody has a different timeline, and I'm realizing that I don't need to rush myself just because someone is ahead of me. 5. Learning to enjoy my own company. Moving out has also taught me that it is not wrong to be alone. You can go out on a cafe date, you can order food for yourself and enjoy a quiet evening, you can watch a movie alone, you can go for shopping alone, and that is completely okay. And you don't need someone to make your feel day special. And I think ये खुद आप कर सकते हो. Because at the end of the day, आप खुद ही रहोगे खुद के साथ time spend करने के लिए. So better love yourself. I used to think like taking self-care had to do something big. A full glow up, your nails done, go for shopping, go for a fancy cafe date. I think self-care is much simpler. You can wash your hair, you can clean your entire space, doing your skincare, eat properly, going to sleep without scrolling. You can say no when you don't have any energy for something, and taking breaks when you are exhausted. And I feel like taking care of ourselves is that we shouldn't feel guilty about it. 7. You are allowed to become a different person. I think this is probably my favorite thing I am learning. You don't have to stay the same person just because people are used to that version of it. You can change. You can more confident than before. You can hate something that you used to love before. You can change your priorities. You can become quieter. I think growing up is basically becoming different version of yourself until you realize what you want. And I am still somewhere in the middle of that. So yeah, those are the things I am learning in my 20s, and I hope this video will help you a lot. There are still days where I compare myself to others. There are still days when I feel lost, and there are still days when I'm expecting someone to take care of myself. If you are also in your 20s and sometimes you feel like you are behind, I'm here to tell you that you are not, and it's completely okay. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Honestly, I am excited to see where life takes all of us. Thank you for sitting and talking with me today. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, Tara, take care, bye bye.